Guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your room light with a remote control without going up from your bed or without moving from your couch. This is my daughter's bedroom, and as you can see, she leaves the light on whole night, and I'll show you how we're going to connect this with a wireless remote. So, this light with a remote so that you can switch on each light individually or all on with a remote control. I'm going to just get two pieces of all. I'm going to just get two pieces of more or less same. And what I'm going to do is I'm just quickly put it. So I put heat shrink. I put some heat shrink into the wire. So let me just put heat shrink just to protect the wire. So as it is, I got my heat shrink, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to just heat it up so that it can shrink properly. Okay, and this one also quickly heat shrink. Be careful you don't burn your modules. Now what I'm going to do is quickly just put it through the... Okay, quickly I'm just going to put it to my lamp fittings and put the wire. My wires is already into my lamp fitting. Now just to let you know, the red will be coming from your switch, and then it will go to here. We got four wire. You got the white, two brown and one blue. Okay, so each of these wire can connect. Actually, you can connect four light, and this is your live, and this is your return. So it's already separated, already told you, and I'll just show you how to wire it. It's very simple, very easy. So you got two brown, one blue, and one white. Okay, if we check on the how you call it, on the module itself, is a blue connect to light, white connect to one light, brown connect to one globe, and brown connect to one light. So altogether you got four globe you can switch on and off, and your red is your incoming, and your black is your neutral or your return, and this is your antenna. So now I got all the wire here, but as you can see now here, all the wire is connected to as it was when we bought the light fitting. So what I'm going to do is we're going to rewire that fitting. Brown is your live. So what we're going to do is, what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to connect the blue in that connectors block, and I'm going to tighten it. Okay, now what we're going to do is, remember one thing is you need to be very thing. You see, when the factory send you something for people not to complicate their life and to make it easy, on the diagram it tell you you got two black, one will be linked to your light fittings, and the other one will be your return to your main supply. And the factory are very clever. What they did is, not to confuse a person, they solder that two piece on the end. You can see the two pieces soldered. This will say this is your incoming, this is your return, and this one will be your return for your light. So for your globe, so I'll connect this black to the blue of your return of your globe. You see, on the module itself, it tells you A is blue, B is white, B is white, C is brown, and D is brown. And this, what we say A, B, C, D, it's mentioned on the remote. A, if you want to switch light 1, light 2, light 3, or light 4. But now what to do is we are going to start with a connection. So we're going to use blue, white, and 1 brown. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut those 3 wire now and peel it off already. I could twist it and connect. I just have to. Quickly. Okay. Okay. As you can see, now 1 light is already connected, and now I'm going to take the second brown wire and I'm going to connect it to the white wire. Okay, so let me grab it. This, and very easy to grab off the. Then you know your wire is secure. Okay. Make sure that you pull the wire and see if it's tight. And now, so now we're left with 2 brown, but we're going to use only 1 brown as we say on this one. So just not in the way on other wire. And I'm just going quickly to crimp it. Okay. Okay. This one, what I'm going to do is I'm just not going to just leave it like this. So what I'm going to do is this wire, I'm going to tape it, to tape this wire for future use. So I'm just going to tape this wire for future use. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just tie this wire a little bit. So like you can see is you got your 1 brown, 1 white and 1 blue. So what we got to do is just to tie this wire, make it a bit tidy. So I'm just going to put some cable ties. to neaten the wire, so that at least you got a lot of cable. When you put your fitting together, you don't have to. Okay, so now what we left now, we're going to put it in the connectors block so that we can connect our light to it, our main incoming. So that is ready. Make sure your fitting is tight properly. What you can see is the light fitting now. It's already ready for connection to your main supply. You see, everything is simple. Your wire is already been as we did mention, and we're going to try it and see if it's work. But for me, I know it's going to work. All on. Okay, you can see all is on. Now I can switch off any one that I want. I can switch on any one I want. If she want her desk to be on, her desk can be on. If she want by her makeup to be on, can be on. If she want by her bed to be on, and as you can see, there we go. There we go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. All off, all on. 1, 2. This one off. There we go. You can see. You can play with your light and which one you want. If you want all 3 to be on, all 3 can be on. And if you want only 2 on, you can. Or you want only 1 on, you can. And when you go to bed now, she can just switch off whatever thing, and if you want all off, there. As you can see, for a lot of people, you can even switch on your dining room light or your bedroom light or your lounge light on, off, and it's very simple, and it's a multi-function remote. And you know, it's very good for parent, you know, for the kids now, no more to worry, oh, switch off your light or whatever, you know, they can do it themselves. And I think this is quite great. Thank you. And for your security light also, you can do it for your outside light or whatever light you want. You can link all those things quite very easy for security purpose. If you want this light or on the thing, you just point it to wherever you want to switch on.